Today we're going to review the Wonderboom from Ultimate Ears. It's the ultimate outdoor Bluetooth speaker. With its IPX7 waterproof rating, you can bring this on a boat near the pool, in rain, or in a shower or the tub. The IPX7 rating also means it can withstand depths of up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. Simply incredible. But the best part about this Wonderboom is that it's fantastically clear or crisp, with up to 86 decibels of 360-degree true wireless stereo surround sound. That's a lot, but let's just say this, it works great. It's awesome for parties or casual listening. The Wonderboom lasts for 10 hours on a single charge and takes a little under 3 to fully charge back up. The newest Wonderboom 3 model also holds an awesome 14-hour playback charge. It's 4 inches tall by 3.5 inches around and weighs only 15 ounces. Lastly, you can connect two Wonderbooms together to the same source at the same time. The Wonderboom is a climate pledge-friendly device, meaning that all plastic parts are made with post-consumer recycled plastic. It also comes with a 2-year limited hardware warranty. We've been using the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom for years and never leave home on a trip without it. We highly recommend it.